Welcome everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn about the calculation about the wages, how to calculate the wages. So here you can see the variables like overtime rate, which is 30, the normal rate would be 20, and the minimum hour is 8. And this is the chart. This is the database through we are going to calculate the wages. So to calculate the wages, we have to put the formula if function. So if, and then as per as the logical test, we would like to select this work hour and then greater than the minimum hour, which is 8, and comma, and then that would be the rate, normal rate. We will be multiplying by minimum hour, plus we have to click on the overtime. Then if he have an overtime, then the overtime, and the overtime rate will be multiplying by the overtime rate, and then done. And if anyone don't have any overtime, he don't get the overtime rate, so he get the normal payment. So this would be multiplying by the normal hour, and then we would like to closing the bracket. Yes, the first one wages will be 140, and then we have the next phases to do, which we would like to freeze or fix the amount which will not be changeable. So we are going to the next phase. To freeze, we are going to use the fn and then f4 function. So click into the first phase, freeze. It is also freeze. It is not, because it's not changeable. So this would be, and lastly this. Yes. So this is the formula to calculate the wages, and this is the amount, and dragging down all the way to schema. Yes. So this is the wages. We are just calculating out from the Excel and the formula. So this is it. This is for the wages, calculation of the wages. See you in my next video. Thank you.